Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace the fuel line connector on your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled and the on-off switch is in the off position. We recommend performing this procedure with little or no fuel in the tank. Use a large flathead screwdriver to help pry the grommet free of the tank. Detach the fuel filter line from the upper fuel line. Release the spring clamp and you can remove the old connector, if still intact. Install the new fuel line connector by inserting it into the fuel line, then secure it with the spring clamp. Reattach the fuel line and push the line through the grommet until the spring clamp is flush against it. Reinsert the fuel filter into the tank and push the grommet into place. Refill the fuel tank if necessary, and your leaf blower should be ready for use.